And hello, boys and girls. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. They took 6 vials of blood out of me. Hi, boys and girls. This is Dino. And hi, Ontario Prepper. Yeah, they took 6 vials of blood out of me because it's pre-operative testing before surgery. So anyway, a lot of you guys wondering what is Uncle Alan doing today. Well, this is a response to certain things that Uncle Alan's really tired about. It's updates. Okay? Plain and simple. I do these once in a while because if I put in the truth of the title of my video, I'll probably get kicked off of YouTube. Now, a lot of people don't realize that a lot of these stupid media interviews by social media, regular media, mainstream media, news media is always with college students. College students are the most stupidest people on the planet. Okay, let me check my notes. Oh boy. Yeah. Second reason, it's part to do with survival. I'm a survivalist, an old one. This is why Uncle Alan survived, and most you idiots are going to die. Who is going to die the most? And Canadian Prepper should know this. Are you listening, Canadian Prepper? Okay, it'll be millennials and Generation Z. All right, millennials and Generation Z. And I gotta look at the age groups of these idiots. Millennials, Generation X, Millennials, Generation Z. Okay, Millennials, Generation Y. Okay, this has been updated December 20th, 2018, ages from 22 to 35. Okay, they're the children of Generation X. Generation Z is 7 years old to 22 years old. Okay, YouTube targets groups are between 13 and 26. The college idiots. This is why Uncle Alan's mad as hell. Stop interviewing college students. They are the most stupidest people on the planet. I do not recommend it to my friends who are aliens. Do not go and interview college students. They have youth, they're inexperienced, and stupid as hell. That sounds like our current state of affair of a Congress. All that new blood in Congress. You know, new people, stupid people. Only a few, excuse me. Only a few qualified because they have experience. Most of them are bloody idiots. And you watch it on the news or off alternative media like Imar and Alexandria, and I can't remember the other lady's name, you know, and Nancy Pelosi lost control of the kitty corner. And these kitties have no bloody idea what is going on. They're stupid as hell. It is typical in the old days, Uncle Alan's days, because a lot of you kids don't watch old movies or read. Dr. Zhivago, that was a great movie. Hubble's Cat knows what I'm talking about because he teaches a bunch of idiots at his college. Right now, he's reading papers that have been written on a cell phone or laptop, and he's trying to figure out what the hell are they talking about. Am I right, Hubbles? Good coffee. I need espresso. Okay, these people you don't want to survive with. They have no survival training, no know how. If I had my way, I'll give 3 tests in life. One, when you're in high school, a basic survival test. It's like getting tossed in a state park. Two is college level. That's before you go to college, you get thrown in an area that's hospitable. All right, you die out there. Third level is graduation. Really hostile, nasty place. Guarantee possible death. No ifs, no buts, no likes. Because the population curve has gone way too stupid. And I'm tired. Okay? I like competent people. Right now, we've been populated by incompetent people. Media, business, you name it. It's one of my three reforms. If I ever get into political office, political reform, college reform, media reform, because we got a bunch of stupid people in these positions. My biggest headache, all right, is in the tech industry, Silicon Valley. You have whiz kids, but also they're stupid as hell. Okay, I know some whiz kids, rocket scientists. I know people who engineered certain things, and I ask them, you put the battery pack in backwards. Yeah, this goes to Mars and fly okay. You put the backup programming wrong. Hey, it's gonna be fine. It's gonna fly away. You left the door open for the clean room. Hey, it's gonna be all right. It's gonna fly away. Or you get some idiotic stuff that corporations do. The 80s, 90s, early 2000s, the teens, by people who are totally incompetent. All right? Uncle Alan's tired and mad. If I see another college student do another interview, oh, we can get rid of gun violence by more laws and don't really care about the real issues. More laws will protect us. I'm going to take a baseball bat and shove it where the sun don't shine. These people have no idea of true life. Uncle Alan went to university behind the dumpster. I worked my way through 2 years of college and got an AA degree. Then I was broke, and most of the time I was shot at. I'm tired and pissed about these stupid people. Okay? So, anyway, back what I was saying. It's called the Laura Zhivago syndrome. You got youth and beauty until the final end. And if anybody watched the movie or read the books, you know what happened to Laura Zhivago when she turned 40 or 30. Now, a lot of people, all right, who are hot, I hear a good example. Anna Akana. She's going to turn 30 and go blah, 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 blah. All right. Now, I'm not being mean. I'm not going to pick on her because I like the girl. I like to collab with her. But with Uncle Alan's luck, hell no. I'll probably get hit by lightning for the third time. Uncle Alan's angry and pissed all the time. Okay? You would be too if you had my luck. All right? Now, when you turn 30, you're going to have a whole bunch of cats, an ugly kid, and you're wondering why you're sleeping in a bed full of cat piss or cat turds. Think about it. Now, I was going to do a video for Steve on Coursera's Trainer. Please check him out. His channel. Here's a few shout out. Bethany Myers. Sorry, I had to move my neck slowly because a couple of clots in my head, and also my whiplash is acting up because the other doctor looked at it, pre-surgery test. It says it's going to be a risk, but we can do it. We just got to hold your head still. Great. Uncle Alan's going to die soon. Okay. Prep for it. Keep working, kids. I got to see your videos. You gotta love Canada, snow, Canadians. I got your back, kids. Uncle Alan's just tired. Bethany Meyer, my favorite little gamer. You gotta watch more of my videos, kid. I got your back. Liberty Garden, good on the gardening. Good. How your doggies and kids are helping out in the garden. That's the main thing. Harshman Hills. Sorry, it sounds like I'm picking on you, but I gotta watch out. You have 3 or 4 kids that depends on you, and you're right now in one of the worst war zones in the future possible. You're in Ohio, or is it Indiana? I can't remember. Uncle Alan has brain damage. Uh, I do, really. I have 2 strokes and I got holes in my head, and that's one of the reasons why they're going to do laser surgery back there. Um, I did say Corsair trainer for Steve. Steve, I got to do a video. Something's coming up. Gardening's a skill, you'll learn it. It's like driving, you'll run over a few people. LS, like your videos. Walter Davis, Strong Adventures. Hey, Daisy, I'm doing more of the prepping videos because I've seen a lot of people and I coached a few people, a lot of idiot college students on prepping. Okay. Um, Reverend Christine. Hey, Christine. Kentucky Survival. Killdeer Survival. Savage Survival. My prayers for your family and your father. Uh, Small Town Southern Housewife. I hope you got that room clean. I would like to see a video. Hubble's Cat as always. Let's see. I have no idea what's Inspired John. Please check out his channel. And Yankees Outdoor Adventures. I think I got it right this time. And don't forget, every Wednesday in the morning is Just in Time Prepping with Will Russell. Please help out Will. He's like me. We have a little bit of breathing problem. And on Saturday night at 8 p.m., bring all your friends if you can. Drag people from YouTube to go check out Will Russell on Just in Time Prepping Saturday night at 7:30 Mountain Time, I think. Okay, Prepper Dell, Weapons Collector, Weapons and Stuff 93. I didn't forget you guys. JJR Survival. Brexit is coming up, 29th. You better get ready. I heard Donald Trump's back in England. Nobody else will. You know, Canada, Donald Trump, not that Trudeau guy, but everybody else in the rest of the world's going to back him up. Okay, Uncle Al's got to stop because his blood pressure is bling bling. Okay, kids, I'll catch you later. Like and subscribe down below. Bye, kids. Uncle Al's reaching his limit. He's turning purple. Bye.